Weekend Sky Spectacular this weekend. Planes already are on the ground preparing for the two-day show out at the beaches.
Roger Weeder caught up with SkyTypers, 6 pilots who know a thing or two about precision flying.
This plane is old, built in 1940, before World War II. This weekend, it'll be in the air show, flying over the skies of Jacksonville Beach.
Before every flight, of course, we check the airplanes out.
Bob Johansson has been doing precision flying for 20 years. He also handles advanced planning, so the Geico SkyTypers work on the same page. This precision flying team is all about homework.
We used 5 planes for the last show instead of 6.
Several hours before and after each show, says pilot Jim Record, each 18-minute performance is reviewed in detail to eliminate surprises.
We know exactly what he's doing. Bob mentioned it before. If we see a guy get out of position, we know how he's going to get back in position. If we see a guy with a problem, and it doesn't happen very much, we know exactly where he's going to go to leave the formation and take care of the problem on his own.
In a profession where communication is critical, pilots are prepared to operate in silence if it happens.
Prefer not to, but we have this show down to the point where any one of us loses a radio, we will just continue the show as opposed to stopping.
So what you see in the sky at the show follows a lot of preparation on the ground, as nothing is left for chance.